What does it mean to lead with empathy? Let's talk about what empathy means first. Empathy is the ability to understand and share another person's thoughts or feelings. It's perspective taking. You're putting yourself in their shoes. So if I was in their situation, what would I feel? If I was in their situation, what would I be thinking? Leading with empathy also means to refrain from judgment and assumptions and instead become more curious. You're curious about the other person's thoughts and feelings by asking questions. So for example, let's say that you have a coworker who comes up to you and vents and complains about their job or about another coworker. Or you have a colleague who didn't submit their fair share of the project and it's delaying the whole project. So instead of making judgments and assumptions and thinking, oh my gosh, why is this person so annoying? They're complaining, they're talking so much. Why can't they just like their job? Or, this person's so lazy, they didn't submit their portion of the project. Instead of making those judgments, you want to become curious. You want to think, okay, why didn't this person submit their portion of the project on time? Or why is this person not liking their job or complaining about their coworkers? And you can take a step further and ask them. Ask them questions. Hey, what are you feeling in this situation? What are your thoughts about this situation? Hey, I noticed that you didn't submit your project by the deadline. Did you need some help? How are you doing, right? If you are becoming more curious and asking about their thoughts and feelings and showing that you care, the other person will feel more connected with you. And once someone feels heard, understood, and connected to you, then they're more willing to listen to your requests, they're more willing to cooperate with you, and you're building that rapport and trust with them.